Good morning, guys. It looks like we are having another crash today. We're down about 3% today. But once again, everyone, don't be alarmed. This is totally normal. Because see, when you should be worried about crashes, in my opinion, is when it's just the asset you own. So if all you own right now is Shiba Inu coin and it's crashing, don't get scared because you got to zoom out and look at like, okay, Bitcoin is also crashing today, but what about the stock market? Yes, SPY also crashing today. This is the top 500 companies in the stock market. We'll go over to the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is also going on a decline, and then we'll even go over to the rest of the crypto market in Coinbase. And you can see here it's a broad market decline. So in my opinion, this is nothing to really worry yourself with. The stock market and the cryptocurrency market, they go through ebbs and flows all the time. It's just nothing to really be concerned about, guys. Like, it's if you really just zoom out, like if you just zoom out, we're only on the 3 month chart. Look at everything. It's green. It's green. Everything in the past 3 months, the Nasdaq, SPY, Bitcoin, and Shiba are green. This type of thing happens. It's just a correction. There's a little bit more selling pressure than buying pressure in the crypto market, and same with the stock market right now. Buying pressure raises and lowers shares prices as well as cryptocurrency prices. And you guys can even go check my video from yesterday. You can see I haven't sold any of my Shiba Inu coin. You can see that the value of the coin or the value of my holdings have gone down, but you can clearly see that I'm still holding all of my Shiba Inu coin. I haven't sold anything, guys. The Bitcoin halving is coming up. It's normal for cryptocurrency to experience a small pullback before the Bitcoin halving, and then several months after the Bitcoin halving, cryptocurrency starts to take off again. And I kind of think at this point, the cryptocurrency market and the stock market are kind of almost intertwined. At this point, I think, and this is only my opinion, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is my opinion. I think the markets in today are more affected by emotion than in the past. I think that there are more knee-jerk reactions in the market now, if that makes sense, where people see something go down and they just, oh God, and it creates a ripple effect, like a wave, and when people start to get shaken out, everybody else starts to get shaken out too. And if you're new to this, guys, like, I've been through this hundreds of times. It's not a big deal. Market goes up, market goes down. If this is your first time, I understand. It can be scary. It can be real scary because you may have just started investing for the first time and you're like, oh my God, I'm losing all my money. But it's okay. Even the great Charlie Munger, which is, if you don't know who that is, that's Warren Buffett's right hand man. Rest in peace. He passed away, not too far away, but he said that he watched his holdings in Berkshire Hathaway go down 50% multiple times, and all he did was keep holding and buy more because he knew what he bought. He knew he bought a good company. He knew he was going to be just fine. And I mean, let's even go look at it just to show you guys an example of how insane it is if you just hold. If you just hold the investment. If you just hold the investment. So what he's talking about are times like these where he lost a fair bit of money. It was up here, lost about half. Did he sell? Hell no. He just kept holding. And then years later, he was making way more money. And then you see there's these drops all the time. And if Charlie Munger can go through these drops, and he was one of the titans of investing, then you should be able to go through these drops too. He said that if you sell during these times of volatility, you are not fit to be a common shareholder and you deserve mediocre returns. I may be slightly altering the quote, but it was to that effect. And that's the truth, guys. If you can't have the patience to sit through the downturns and you sell in the red, guys, then you deserve to lose your money. Like, not all of us just bought this shit one day and then waited one day and everyone made money. It's just not how it works. You got to be patient. You got to be willing to wait. You got to be willing to sit. And this is the stock market, the cryptocurrency market, the real estate market, all of it. Patience is the best virtue to have in this type of game. Unless you're short-term trading, then you're playing a whole other type of game that I don't even want to play. I play that with like fun money, and then if I lose it, it's whatever. But I invest with my main amount of money. There's nothing wrong with trading, guys. Just do it responsibly and do it safely, and set stop losses, and don't keep going at it and losing money. Invest as well, guys. I'm telling you, long-term investment is amazing. Like, let's even look at Bitcoin. Let's say you invested in Bitcoin just 5 years ago. You're balling. You're fucking balling. Are you kidding me? Like, instead of playing this fucking game where it's like buy, sell, 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 you're creating a taxable event every time you do that. 1. 2, sitting on your ass is way fucking easier, in my opinion. But that's just me. Comment down below. What do y'all think? Are you traders? Are you investors? What are you? I'm curious. What are you? Anyway, I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I'm sorry I don't have more information to bring you guys, but it's a good thing when it's not just the cryptocurrency market selling off. It's a good thing when it's not just the stock market selling off. It's a broader market sell-off, and those happen all the time. This is nothing to worry about, guys. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We reached over 100 subscribers, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll be in touch.